Hello, meet Aditya. He is playing a number puzzle where every line adds up to 15, but some numbers are missing. Let's help Aditya find the missing numbers. Aditya sees number 8 and he wants to know what do I need to add to 8 to get to 15. Let's use a number line. We can jump forward from 8 on the number line and count the total number of jumps. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means when we add 7 to number 8, we will reach at 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Now let's try the same puzzle in a different way. We know that we have to reach number 15. So let's try jumping backward from number 15 to 8. Let's count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we made 7 jumps backward. See, we got the same answer. So you can try both ways. Either you can go forward or backward. Both of the ways work. Here is another puzzle. Aditya sees the number 2 and we have to still reach to number 15. Let's try the backward way this time. We can start at 15 and jump back to 2. We'll count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means we have to add 13 to number 2. Now we can fill in the blanks. 2 plus 13 will make number 15. So what did we learn? You can solve these kind of problems in two different ways. You can jump forward or backward. Both ways you will get the same answer. You can try both and see which one feels easier for you. Now it's your turn. Can you find all the missing numbers in this puzzle and solve it using the tricks that we just learned? Bye-bye.